Hello everyone, welcome on Tech Tips. Today I've got a Crenova XPE498 which I buy some times ago and already got the dust inside. This video is actually will be how to clean this dust because the seller is amazing, and he allowed me to open this lovely Crenova projector to clean the dust out, and he promised me if I don't do any damage I'll be not lose the warranty, which is fair, big fair, because I can make a video about that and can help someone else, because it's absolutely a lovely projector. And also I will have a look inside how it looks and what's the inside quality made it, if it's worth any penny. So far I absolutely happy and I'm amazing. I've got just only small dust down there. I will be switch on that now. Hopefully we'll see that on the daylights. I just want to show you this black dots. Not sure you can see that, but here's like lines going like this. Another stuff is somewhere here, and that's actually dust inside the projector, and I would like clean it now. Hopefully it'll be a success. I can clean that. Is the time switch off? Have a look how quick is this projector actually switch off. That's it, nothing more. Now I will unplug this cable and have a look how to disassemble this lovely projector. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screw and a standard cross screw. You can see that is standard screw like this too. Actually one more screw on top which has been under this QC label. You need to take it off, and after that you take off the front cover, which is just only on a couple of clips. And okay, we go with this little plastic helping from side by side all around every single clip. You clip out, and now we can take the top cover off. Go slowly because there is a connection of the top button. You can just lift it up with your finger and just take off. Slide out. Okay, and inside is actually looks like nice build quality. There is also all is cover, heatsink, one little fan, LCD connection. Okay, all looks good. Now I'm not sure how the dust going inside, but definitely I need to open more and clean the dust from LCD. So far I'm happy with the quality. Take these two plastic out, and I think first at all I will be unplug also this ER sensor. And we have two fans here. One is on this side, which is blower style. Yeah, it's a blower style. And we got another one is here, which is also the same style. Brand is Coolcox. Yeah, not bad. Okay, let me just try to take this top plastic cover out to see if I can clean the dust. Okay, as you can see, I take it off this 6 screw, and it's not possible to take it off. I still need to actually take off this board at the first place, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. This is still holding the same plastic, but you can see, yeah, it's actually really massive heat pipe. Really nice quality. I like it so far. Okay, take this off and have a look what's underneath. Once I take that screw off, I can see there is one more screw hold that black plastic, and we got a power supply under this magic board, and there is one more screw over there. Power supply looks also good quality. Okay, now all screws down and we can actually lift this cover, and now we see the all matrix. Okay, I see the dust. You see the dust? That's the dust I got there on the projection screen. Yeah, it's really nice build quality lamp, nice heatsink. Yeah, I think all is really nice build quality. Just need everything is nice and strong. There's a keystone. Okay, just need to clean this. It should be all okay. It's actually LCD. Just slide out. You can see the dust on the top. Okay, I use this cloth to clean this LCD. Just take it slowly out. And also I'll clean that mirror. I'll try clean everything. Okay. Okay, there is still a little more cleaning. I hope it's better than before. There is still some dust, but it's not really possible to clean perfectly. But I think it will be much better. I'll be last stuff. I'll be hover this slowly. Which should help get the last dust out. Back the stop cover, all screw, and I'll test it before I actually close totally. All screw is back. Actually, why the dust going inside is because this blower actually suck the air from this side and suck all of the dust as well, because there's a really bad mesh. Maybe I will be cover this by something to protect that, to stop getting dust inside. And actually this blow the air inside the LCD and lamp, which is going this side, and this fan actually suck the air out from the projector, which is going out this, and that's why it's actually dust building inside. there's nothing else or no any reason. Now connect the LCD and test it. Okay, all is connected again, hopefully all will be alright. And now I try this projector, if still open it to save my time if it's something wrong. Okay, now all is connected. I will use the remote control, hopefully it all works. Oh, cool. Cool, we still have picture. And I will try focus to see if it does that. Okay, picture is still here. And I think it's slightly brighter as well. And I don't see any dust here, but I will definitely have a look and confirm this on the night time.
All looks good, and now I put all together. As you can see, it's the last step and it's so easy as well. All you need to do is plug in first all of the top button, which is just flex, slide in and put the clip on. Easy to do. And once you've done this and clip all together, you can just push down the top cover, which is just on the side clip, and after that you check on the front and put the front cover with the brand of Crenova. Just stick on the place, and once you've done this, just put your projector ups and down and put last 6 screw and all done. Projector is nice and clean and ready to use again. Hopefully you like this video. You will need, and if you have any question, just ask. Don't forget to click share, like, subscribe, and check the description for more information. See you soon on my another video. Bye.